In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a countdown timer in Notion. If you're looking to enhance your Notion pages with a little bit of excitement, or simply need to keep track of an upcoming event, adding a countdown timer is a great way to do so. This short guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring you can do it without any fuss or confusion. First, let's head over to Notion. If you haven't already created a Notion account, go ahead and set one up. It's free to use, with premium options available if you need more advanced features. If you are already a Notion user, simply log into your account. Once you're in, navigate to the page where you want to add your countdown timer. This can be in any page, whether you're working on a weekly planner, a project timeline, or even a personal dashboard. The flexibility and magic of Notion is that it's as versatile as you need it to be. Begin by typing the / command, that's / followed by the word embed. You'll notice a drop-down menu appear, providing you a variety of embedding options. The embed feature allows you to bring in all kinds of external content directly into Notion, making your workspace both dynamic and interactive. Now, choose the option to embed. Click on Embed from the drop-down menu that appears. This is the option that allows you to bring in external content, such as a countdown timer, into your Notion page. This feature will be particularly familiar if you've embedded other types of content, like videos or spreadsheets, into your pages before. Next, in another tab, open a countdown timer from a site like Yo Online Timer. Make sure the countdown timer is set to your specific date and time preferences. Once you're satisfied with your settings, go ahead and copy the link to this timer. This part is crucial because Notion will need this specific link to grab and display the countdown timer properly on your page. Return to your Notion page and paste the copied link into the embed block that you previously created. This is the moment your page truly comes alive, as your countdown timer is now ready to engage and inform all who view it. Finally, click on Embed Link. By doing so, Notion will automatically render the embedded content, thus displaying your countdown timer on the page. Congratulations! You've just enhanced your Notion page with a visual countdown that's not only functional but also aesthetic. By following these steps, you'll have a Notion page that not only organizes your tasks and projects, but also keeps you timely and focused. With a countdown ticking away, it's easy to stay on track and be reminded of the moments that are important to you. Enjoy your enhanced Notion experience.